guys, it's that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here, and this month's theme is Dare to Dazzle. A little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. So in the June base Boxycharm box, you may receive the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask, the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Palette, the OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette, the KVD Beauty Dazzle Stick, and last but not least, the Brow Bar by Rima Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter Pencil. So just a little inside look at all of these products. The Aceology Overnight Lip Mask looks a little something like this, and it retails for $19. The Touch and Soul Glowdient Makeup Palette looks a little something like this. It is super stunning, has rose gold sides, super pretty. And you open it up and it looks like this. I did use it today, so it looks a little used. You can use them all together like I did, or you can use them singly. There is a shade for everyone. And this Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette retails for $34. Here is an inside look at the OPV Beauty London Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. It comes with a really big mirror. And then here is the palette. Super stunning. There is mattes, shimmers, metallics, and it is just so gorgeous. The OPV Beauty Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette retails for $40. Here is what the KVD Beauty Dazzle Stick looks like outside of the packaging. You open it up, it's got the stars on the back, open it up, and it just kind of rolls up like that. And it is so, so pretty. Super creamy, super buttery, and just so pigmented. The KVD Dazzle Stick eyeshadow retails for $22. And then last but not least, we have the Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter Pencil by Brow Bar by Rima. I absolutely love this company. I use them all the time. And this is a double-ended pencil. So one end is for a softer blend, and then the other end is more of a highlighted look for that brow highlight area. So it looks a little something like that. And the Brow Bar by Rima Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Pencil retails for $16. Boxycharm is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products and they all equal out to be over $100. You can also upgrade to the premium and luxe boxes for a little bit more and you get that much more. Charmers also get exclusive offers to purchase top brands at discount prices. It's a great way to grow your makeup and your skincare collection and a great way to find out about new products or companies that you might not have known about before. And just an overall great way to have it all in 2021. So yeah, you guys, if you would like to see how I got this look using this month's Boxycharm box, then stay tuned.
Sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can start something new. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sunrise, I'm on my own time and I can be good to you. When the sun
that is it, you guys. Big thanks to Boxycharm, and thank you guys for watching. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.